Here we're foam rolling the anterior compartment of the lower leg. These muscles on the front outside part of your shin, they pull the foot up and they turn it to the outside. They're also going to be tight and tender if you have any kind of low back issues going on. A lot of times you're going to feel some tenderness through that outside compartment, or you'll notice it when you're coming off of an ankle sprain or some other kind of outside of the foot type injury. So this area is a commonly irritated place. It's something that we tend to overuse a lot to stabilize our foot, especially if you're having trouble with kind of bringing that knee forward into the dorsiflex position when we're trying to bring that ankle into a forward position. If that gets tight for you, a lot of times you'll notice some tone and tenderness here. So just like with our other pin and stretch techniques, we're going to roll around until we find a tender spot. We're going to stay there. This for the mobilization here, the stretch part of this, we're going to move the ankle up and down, spend about 30 seconds on each of those tender points, work the entire area through that anterior compartment. Maybe spend 2 minutes down there would be more than enough. Okay. As always, we're going to follow it some type of strength or reinforcement drill to kind of lock in that new positional change that you've created. Caution, word of caution here, this is a pretty superficial nerve, meaning it's closer to the surface. It's in a tight compartment, meaning there's a lot of things happening in that part of the lower leg. So if you get onto a spot where you're actually noticing any kind of numbness or tingling or pain that kind of shoots down the leg, you don't want to spend a full 30 seconds there. Move on, just move a little bit to kind of get, whatever that tingle or pain is, just shift a little bit so that you're off of that. This way you don't have to worry about creating any kind of irritation or things that make you feel sore for a long period of time. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you let us know.